Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to go over how the product editing section and creation section has changed a little bit for the better. Really, it's just been rearranged so things are more intuitive and organized. So for example, before we had this type of template, we had pull supplier price here, and then we had the description, but the supplier link was here. It really should have been here. Additionally, the stock is here, but it should be in the pricing and stock section, not in the description section. And then all of this here is just fine. But you know, those two should be here, in my opinion. The images were just all right. In the Facebook shop section, everything was just all right. But there was no personal marketplace section specific fields, which is a problem because they were sort of just merged into here. So we've made a change on that, and the repricing settings and the sales channels were totally fine. The new products creation and editing section is now like this, right? So we have a pricing and stock section where we have the supplier link first thing. So if you want to change your supplier link or make edits to it, it's very simple and quick. You can quickly paste the supplier link and then pull the supplier info. You have your price and your stock all on this pricing and stock page right here, along with your markups, your sale markups, your target sale price, and then the target price, which is derived from your sale markups and markups. And then you have your Facebook fees, estimated Facebook fees, and now you can see that the supplier info just got pulled in, which is nice. Then you have your target profit, and then you have a new field called currency, which is similar to the templates new field, which you could see. And the condition is now here, and the quantity is now here. So pricing and stock overall is kind of just all here. Next, we have the description section, which has your title, your template, your header, description, and the footer. It's mainly just large bodies of text, or any type of body of text will go here. You have your images section, which remains the same. Then you have a new section called Facebook Marketplace, which has the hide from friends option, the shipping price option within your product, and then the Facebook listing ID, which is regarding sync accuracy and all of that complicated stuff. Then you can go into the Facebook Shops section, which is pretty much the same thing, except now you have some pricing settings, which are very specific to Facebook Shops also here. Next, you have the repricing settings, which is the same, and then you have the sales channels, which is the same. So if you have any issues with these new changes, let us know. Our goal is to make the software more intuitive, more structured for everyone in the long term, right? So if you have a question, a query, a suggestion that makes the software better for the long term, we are absolutely going to go ahead and apply it so it's better for everyone, right? That is our end goal. You guys have seen us over the past year. We make videos, multiple videos a week. Every single video is iterating on your requests and making sure the software does get better. Definitely, we're trying to make it better. We're listening to you guys, and it will get to a point where you're very, very satisfied about Fbmfox and its usability. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just drop them down below in the comments. If you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, we're probably the most innovative software out there for this niche. If you can go ahead and start that 7-day free trial, link in the description below. You can cancel anytime, and if you don't cancel, it's only $29 a month, and you get all these amazing features along with support and our constant weekly updates that come from listening to you guys. So isn't that great? If you have no clue about how to start in e-commerce and you have no clue about this space overall, we recommend checking out the program linked in the description below. You get $500 off. It's the 10-minute workday program made by Dustin and Rachel. They basically walk you through how to do everything in this space: sell on shops, sell on marketplace, and do product research and a whole bunch more things. So check that out, $500 off, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.